seats. You can resume your seats now. Thank you.
Yeah, you're almost welcome. Thank you.
Please don't take the faces of the suspect. You can take them from the back, I beg you. Yes, the back. So good afternoon to you, the Inspector General of Police, members of the Police Management Board, colleague officers, friends from the media. We welcome you this afternoon to the MA Al Hassan conference room, where the Inspector General of Police is here to brief the media about some breakthroughs that the police administration has made in terms of arrest of sophisticated armed robbers, and after which the regional police commander will also brief the media in the recent robbery and murder at Ohim here in the Ashanti region. So once again, welcome to the MA Al Hassan conference room. So I wouldn't want to take much of your time. We'll invite the Inspector General of Police to make a brief remark, after which the regional commander will do the briefing. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. Okay, good. That is former members present, the regional commander, officers and men present, Ladies and gentlemen, and our brothers and sisters from the media, I'm happy to join you at the Regional Police Headquarters for this afternoon's press briefing. As I've always assured the good people of Ghana, my team and I remain committed to ensuring that we make life uncomfortable for criminal elements in the country. As a result, no matter how far they run or how much they hide, we will continue to pursue them, to dismantle their activities and bring them to justice. On the 10th of February 2026, I received the unfortunate news of a robbery incident that occurred at Ohim Tigo Junction, where one person was shot and his Toyota Hilux vehicle snatched from him. We soon learned of the identity of the victim, Mr. Andrews Amakwa, who sadly passed on at the hospital where he had been sent for medical attention. I'm happy to announce that we have arrested 4 suspects, including 3 members of the gang that was responsible for the attack. A 4th suspect, believed to be the gang leader, died from gunshot wounds sustained during the operation. As we always do when such cases reported, I immediately constituted a team comprising the Ashanti Regional Commander, the Regional Intelligence Team, the Anti-Robbery Unit, and the Cyber Vetting Team of the CID Headquarters to immediately commence investigation. Upon following several leads during the course of our investigation, we had our first breakthrough on the 18th February 2026 with the arrest of suspect Akwesi Menu, who was found in possession of a mobile phone belonging to the deceased. Suspect Akwesi Menu was subsequently put before the Asokwa Circuit Court 2 on 20th February 2026 on the charge of possession of stolen property and remanded into police custody to reappear on the 5th March 2026. Further investigation and covert intelligence operations led to the arrest of a second suspect, Bashiru Tanko, from his hideout at Atonso High School Junction in Kumasi on the 19th February. Following the arrest of Tanko, we intensified efforts across several locations, and after days of sustained operations, 2 additional suspects, Kwadwo Amposan and Emmanuel Kwame Apia, were arrested on 21st and 22nd February 2026 at Hireso near Buakra and Danyame Soldier Barracks, Kumasi respectively. Suspect Eric Antwi Duku, who sustained gunshot wounds during the operation, has passed on. Our investigation further established that this criminal syndicate, led by deceased suspect Eric Antwi Duku, specialized in the snatching of pickup and Land Cruiser vehicles, particularly black and ash color ones, which they sold to a contact at Paga. The gang also have contacts with some persons at Ofinso and in Dubai, as well as contacts with some Goro boys at the DVLA who facilitate the preparation of fake vehicle documents for them. The syndicate have been linked to similar robberies at Takwa, Kumasi, and other parts of the Ashanti region. The regional commander will share further details. It's worth noting that this syndicate has been on the wanted list of the Western Central Regional Police Command at Takwa following a series of incidents involving them. The modus operandi of the syndicate involves identifying and monitoring their target victims and following them until they get the opportunity to strike, and when the targets resist or refuse to hand over the vehicle to them, they resort to firing their weapon. Our investigation also established that after successful operations, the gang leader, Eric Anchidoku, often travels with his wife to Dubai to cool off. Interestingly, the gang were preparing to leave Kumasi today for another operation at Takwa, but they ran out of luck when we got them arrested. Before I conclude, for the regional commander to give us further details, I wish to sincerely express my condolences to the bereaved family on behalf of the entire police service. I also wish to highly commend the various teams that work on this operation, as well as members of the public who assisted us with very critical information. Your collective efforts will go a long way towards giving the family closure and ensuring justice is served. I can't sit down without expressing our profound gratitude to His Excellency the President for equipping the service with much needed logistics, which continue to make such police response operations possible. Once again, I wish to call on the general public to support our operations by sharing credible information and reporting suspicious persons and activities to the police. To the criminals out there, take note of this. We will leave no stones unturned. By every legal means possible, we will continue to come after you. We will pursue you, arrest you, and bring you to justice. That is a promise. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Christian Teteyono. The criminals out there, be rest assured the police will come after you. They will leave no stones unturned. Thank you very much once again, the Inspector General of Police. We shall now invite the Regional Police Commander, DCOP, Mr. Atta Osei, to now brief the media on the arrest made. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Inspector General of Police, members of the Police Management Board, colleagues, senior officers, members of the media, distinguished guests. On behalf of the Ghana Police Service and Ashanti Regional Police Command, I wish to provide further details on investigations into the robbery and murder of Mr. Andrews Amankwa, which occurred on the 10th of February 2026 at Ohim Amanfrom in Kumasi. Following the incident, the Inspector General of Police activated a coordinated intelligence-led operation involving the Regional Police Intelligence Directorate, the Cyber Vetting and Enforcement Team, and the CID Anti-Armed Robbery Unit. Under his strategic leadership and guidance, through sustained surveillance, technical intelligence, and targeted operations, we have successfully dismantled a very dangerous carjacking syndicate known as the Dukum Syndicate. Between 18th and 22nd February 2026, 4 key members of this syndicate were arrested in separate intelligence-led operations across Kumasi and its environs. One suspect sustained gunshot wounds during an operation and was later pronounced dead at the hospital. On 18th February 2026, Akwesi Menu, a 47-year-old farmer, was arrested for unlawful possession of deceased victim's Samsung mobile phone. His arrest provided the initial breakthrough in the investigations. On the 19th February 2026, Bashir Tanko, alias Tiki, age 33, was arrested at Atunsu, a suburb of Kumasi. Investigations revealed his prior involvement in car snatching activities in Takwa and Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Intelligence, however, suggests he was sidelined from the most recent fatal operations due to an internal financial dispute within the syndicate. On 21st February 2026, Kwadwo Amponsa, alias Kamakazi, age 35, was arrested at Hiriso near Buankra. His interrogation provided a critical intelligence linking the syndicate to multiple violent robberies involving Toyota Hilux vehicles in Kumasi. On 22nd February 2026, at 11 p.m., the alleged syndicate leader, Eric Njiduku, aged 42, sustained gunshot wounds during an operation and was later pronounced dead at the hospital. His body has been deposited at the morgue for preservation and autopsy. Items recovered from him include a Bruni Mod 84 pistol, 8 rounds of live ammunition, a tracking detection device, a forged vehicle documents, and a Toyota Corolla S belonging to the deceased suspect. On 22nd February 2026 at 11:30 p.m., Emmanuel Kwame Apia, alias Tola, age 38, was also arrested at Denyame, Kumasi. Investigations indicate that he acted as the syndicate's driver during the fatal Ohim Amanfrom robbery. Investigations have established that the syndicate specialized in targeting Toyota Hilux vehicles. The group conducted prowl surveillance on victims and in recent operation escalated to the use of lethal force to facilitate vehicle theft. Preliminary findings link the core suspects to the Ohim Amanfrom robbery on the 10th February 2026, during which Mr. Andrew Samankwa was shot and killed and his Toyota Hilux number GN6647-25 stolen. A separate robbery at Kronum where a victim was fatally shot and a Toyota Hilux belonging to the Ghana National Association of Teachers was stolen. The suspects have admitted to multiple robbery operations across Takwa and Kumasi and have provided intelligence regarding the movement of stolen vehicles to the northern border corridor. Confessed robberies incidents in Takwa. The suspects further confessed to the following vehicle thefts. So I will go through. On 25th January 2026, at Anglo Gold, Takwa, they snatched Toyota Hilux registration number VD8080-25. On 9th February 2026, at Bobobo, Takwa, Toyota Hilux unregistered was also snatched. On 7th November 2025, at Achampim, Toyota Land Cruiser registration number AD102-25. On the 8th November 2025, at New Atuabo, Toyota Land Cruiser registration number GT 2036-25. On 12 October 2025 at Tamso, Takwa, Land Cruiser Trooper registration number GE 4447-25. On the 5th October 2025 at Achampem, Toyota Land Cruiser registration number GE 373-25. On the 7th September 2025 at Samahu, Toyota Land Cruiser registration number GV 66-24. On the 15th April 2025 at Takwa, Toyota Land Cruiser PC registration number GS 1845-23. And on the 10th April 2025 at Achampem, Toyota Land Cruiser Pickup registration number GT 4688-24. The recovered firearm is currently undergoing forensic and ballistic examination to determine its linkage to various crime scenes. Investigations are ongoing to identify and arrest additional accomplices, including individuals involved in the disposal of stolen vehicles and the preparation of forged documentations. The suspects are currently in police custody and will soon be arraigned before court. I must iterate that these suspects have been on the police wanted list of the Central Regional Police Command, but they escape arrest anytime there is an attempt to apprehend them. The Ghana Police Service remains resolute in dismantling violent criminal networks operating within the Ashanti and beyond. Criminal elements who threaten public safety will be pursued relentlessly and brought to justice. We encourage members of the public to continue volunteering credible information to support our crime-fighting efforts. Thank you.
Thank you very much, the Ashanti Regional Police Commander, for that brief of the arrest made and other operations that the police have conducted. So thank you so much. We have read the whole briefing to a close. You Minianum is a for Regional Police Commander a Kayano. You were no free a year. Three media houses and the kind of so more kaka and kasa. And some pepper say mobefa sa we no ewo tree. Timbe tofa. Kakra oka and say Emreke Cranie say somewhere on the 10th of February 2020. Yena yet say Robbery a course so ewo him among from Papa bia your friend no Mr. Andrews Amankwa ofe muhwe ne nkwa omoje ne Toyota Hilux pickup every no ho enti ema yura Inspector General of Police activity intelligence led operation na Police Intelligence Directorate ka ho cyber vetting and enforcement unit ana team yewo yenuanom a omoya CID4 anti-armed robbery unit omunyina eka omuhu bomu di omu esi abontenso jami encha de eye on the 18th between 18th and 22nd February 2026 year no aji team ya offset ya omu yes investigation no etumi echi akronfo mu miensa omo group no your friend no Duku Syndicate or Matonding Duku Syndicate. na saa duku syndicate on the 19th of February 2026 team no echi eye Bashiru Tanko alias TK a wedding fee 33 ewo Atonsu Kumase enomo ena obo nenu anomo bi edin enti ema police for etu omusosa on the 21st of February 2026 to me echi obi a yefre no Kojo Amponsa alias Kamakazi edi 35 ono so omuche no orero so a eban boankra police etoto na no obubo nimpa bebre eka say omo ena ejeje Toyota Hilux pickups ewo Kumase ne nipotemu ebi ni Toyota Land Cruisers nti ono so boy ma police ekochi owura bia your friend Eric Enchuduku we did 22 on the 22nd of February 2026 we did 42 years but police operation no mono ituo ekano nti o sustain gunshot wounds my police no so ntem so mo de ne ko ayarsabia ba omudu hono na a doctor for say wayenya media nti e ka say de Eric Enchuduku ewo morgue more train for preservation omudena call for preservation and autopsy na inioma omunya ewo Eric Enchuduku no ibini a Brunei mod 84 pistol 8 rounds of live ammunition omunya tracking detection device omusansunya forged vehicle documents we share car number plate na ego ona ninyina no eye fake ni omoya ni say omoje car na omotu original number plate no na omo no de fake number plate ashe na omo de fake yes and ya inspector general of police ekan no omo de fake insurance document atale car nanim etumi atweti police now on the 22nd February 2026 no Emmanuel Kwame appear alias Tola and so police etumi echi no so the 38 omo ena ejina we ya omochi edi kire camera si omo so yabuchi no danyame ewo Kumase aha no mo omo nyina no ejitumu ekase no kre nea esi ewo ohwim yewura Andrews amanko ahwere ne nkwa no eyomo ena omo di sa ewurikasam no na police investigation maye no so far ekire say omo no a specialize omojeje go for Toyota Hilux vehicles enti ye kasi omo so a confess senior police commander bubo so no omo ajeje nkofo bebre omo Toyota Hilux pickups ewo Takwa ye kasi Takwa police for beka ne say Western Central Police Command declare wanted no ompe omo but prebi no omo kope na omo edwane until say IG special team ya wati etumi eso omo a ende ye kase omo police akache na yewura eka say police de ya adwene say enya de ayebeda ye be akodin nta kronfo na wa bonte no monkan hu ni say you can run but you can never hide police sign ni all can no nti beka de say ni omo kan wo brofu kasa mu no eno na mabono tofa de amaye meda munyina mase. Please, are you already taking shots of the items and the suspect? I think they've done that already. So I think we are done for the Inspector General of Police and his team to take leave of us. Pastor, we thank you very much for coming and making the briefing a very successful one. We are grateful. Please, let us be upstanding as